Hello Divi members, my name is Lati and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit the Divi roofing child theme. So let's go to my screen and I will show you how you can edit that and how you can make it publish for the client or for yourself. Alright, so as you can see in my screen, here is the Divi roofing child theme. So let me just scroll down so you can see how it looks like. And just to confirm that this is the same child theme that you have purchased from my shop or any other marketplace. Alright, so I'm going to show you only those stuff which seems difficult or which is more advanced, and you can't do that for, using Divi builder, and which is kind of different than a normal Divi child theme. Okay, so now let's go to the back end, and first I will show you how you can edit this header, and then we can move forward to other things as well. Okay, so let me just click on this roofing dashboard, and then we have to go to this theme builder. Once you're in the theme builder, then what you have to do is here is the global header and here is the pencil icon. So you just have to click on this pencil icon, and then you will be in the Divi builder and you can edit the header. All right, so let me just okay, this is the desktop version and this is the mobile version, and mobile version is also for the tablet version as well. Okay, okay, let me just edit this phone number. So you just have to you just have to use the basic Divi builder. There is no advanced thing at all. Okay, so here is the phone title, and here is the phone number, and you have to link this number. So if someone wants to click on this, or if someone clicks on that, then they will be redirected to the phone app. Okay, so now how you can do that, you just have to put one link over here. So it says TEL and then colon, and then we have the number, so you can replace this number with your number. Okay, now same thing applies for this email address. You just have to edit this email address, and then same, you just have to copy that email address over here as well, but the link says mail to colon. Okay, so you don't have to edit that link, you just have to replace the mail. Now this is the logo over here, so you just have to click on this and you can replace this logo using media library, or you can upload that from your PC or from your system. Okay, now if you want to change these menu items, then you can do it from the appearance. Okay, so let me just write once again roofing.dogeeks.com, and then we will go to the menu. You can add pages from this side, and that will be shown over here. Okay, so whatever the page you want to show, you can just add over here, and whatever the pages you don't want to show, you can just delete it from here by clicking on this arrow icon and then remove. Now the important thing in this menu is if you see the mobile version or the tablet version, you will notice one thing, that once you click on this, now this shows this plus icon. Okay, and once you click on this plus icon, then okay, let me just open the website in new tab so you can better understand, because in the Divi builder it is a bit difficult because that doesn't load correctly. Okay, so let me just click on this, and now we are over here. So now once we click on this plus icon, this shows another sub item of that primary item. Yeah, and once I click on this plus icon, now this is the sub item of that primary item or primary menu item, whatever. Okay, now let me show you how you can do that. So whatever you are having as a primary, you just have to write first level in the CSS class, and what is your sub item, you just have to put second level. So if you are, for example, if you want to add this as a sub item, you just have to click on this add to menu, and once it is there, and just drag it over here, and then you have to write the second level. Okay, and you can copy that from over here. You just have to copy, Control C or Command C, and Control V or Command V. Okay, now I'm not going to do that because I don't want to. Okay, let me just save the menu, and now let's move to the other part, which is mobile. So as like this desktop version, you have changed the logo, you just have to do that here as well. Okay, Now the tablet version and mobile version are same, so I just wrote mobile, but don't worry about that, this also works for the tablet as well. Okay, now let me just save it, and then we have to go to the home page and see what else I can tell you. Okay, let me just cross it. And so our header is done. Now this is the like a basic page, so you can just enable the visual builder for to edit the page. And I hope you guys know about the Divi builder, and if you don't know, there are many tutorial in the YouTube. You can learn normal Divi using those tutorials. Okay, because if I go to all the parts of this child theme, then it will take hours to explain you all of those stuff. Okay, so now let me just see what else is there, so I can just tell you. Okay, now I think the page have the normal basic stuff, yeah, except this one. So this is having the CSS, custom CSS. So from where you can edit, you just have to go to the dashboard, and then you have to navigate to this appearance and then theme editor. Once you click on this theme editor, this will show some CSS over here. So now these are for pages like blog page, pagination, and then gallery page, and then portfolio page, and then at the next we have the okay, other website elements. So now what we have to do is, let's see what is this. It's our portfolio, so let me just scroll up again, and yeah, so here it is, portfolio filter styling. Now this is not a portfolio filter because there is no filter at all. Okay, so this is not the one we are looking for. Now what we are looking for is, I think, portfolio page, portfolio and filter pro. Okay, active pagination, default pagination. So we are not looking for pagination, we are looking for that that hover effect, yeah, which is over here. Over here. Okay, portfolio, hover effect, rotate and scale. Now let me tell you, or let me clear that there are two portfolio modules. One is filterable, like filter portfolio, and another is normal portfolio. Okay, and in the home page we are using the normal portfolio. So what you have to do now is, if you want to delete the this hover effect, then what you can do is just come over here, portfolio, hover effect, rotate and scale. You just have to just select this all, and then press the delete or backspace to just delete it and update the file. So now okay, after that this animation or the hover effect will be removed. All right, let's go to the next part, which is the footer. So let me just navigate to this. Now as you have edited the header, same like that, you just have to click on this pencil icon to edit the global footer as well. Okay, so once you click on this global footer, this will show the exact same version as we are seeing on this the demo version. Okay, now simply you can edit this like as I have told you. You just have to click on this image, and then you can choose the image whatever you want to upload, obviously the logo. Now for this part, what you have to do is you can rename it. For example, if I want to put like demo. Okay, and now what you have to do is select this, and for example, if I want to put this link to that, now what I will do is I will click on this link icon, and then I will paste this URL over here, and I will just click on this. Okay, so now once you click on this becomes the demo, which will link to the home page. Okay, so I don't want to save that, so I will click on this cross icon. Okay, now same thing applies for this, and as I have told you about the phone and email, so this works same as well. Now you can edit those, yeah, pretty sure. Okay, now at the bottom we have this copyright info. So same thing applies over here. If you want to edit this privacy policy link, you just have to click on this, and you can replace this privacy policy with your policy page. Okay, and obviously you can rename this company. All right, so let me just save it, and let me just exit this visual builder, because we are done with the footer. All right, so let's go to the next page, and let's see how it if there is anything I can tell you. If there is anything important, I will see, then I will tell you. Okay, let me just scroll to the very bottom, and let's see if there is anything. I think everything is basic, you know. If you just have the knowledge of the Divi builder, then you're fine with this shell theme. I will suggest you to watch the videos how Divi works and how Divi builder works and everything. This is very, you know, simple. Like, it is very beautiful, but yeah, there is no coding, not much coding actually. There is some kind of coding, but not much. Yeah, for sure. Okay, I think that is pretty much for this page. Let's go to the services and see how it looks like, and if there's anything that you know, which is not. Okay, yeah, so for this one, let me just tell you how you can edit the background color. Like, I think that is not normal one, so I will see if there is. Yeah, for sure. Okay, so let me just see in the padding. Okay, so if you see over here, if you want to edit the background color of this button, what you can do is you can head over to this text, and here is the color. Okay, now the thing is that we have gradient background color. Okay, so there are two colors, which is this one first, and this is the second one. Okay, now I make sure that you edit both of those to edit the button color. For example, if I just put 000, which makes the like a black, and at the left side we can put like FFF, which is like okay, let me just put F7, which is gray. Okay, I don't want to save that, so I will just click on this cross icon. Alright, so if you want to edit the background color, you just have to hover, you just have to head to this column settings, and then you can edit this background color from here. So make sure that this is the gradient, and you have to edit both of these. Okay, now we are done with the background, we are done with the this button over here. And yeah, if you want to you know, replace this image, then what you have to do is you just have to hover, you just have to head to this image and icon section, and this is the normal, and this is the hover state. Okay, all right, let's move to the next section. I think this is the pretty basic one. Yeah, everything is basic now. All right, okay, perfect. Now let's exit the visual builder, and let's move to the next page, which is roof solar systems. Okay, now okay, everything is pretty basic over here as well, so whatever customers say, yeah, okay, perfect. And all the other pages in the services, like single services page, are all same. So if you can edit this one, so I hope you can do all of these one as well. Now, for example, in case if you have any problem, and you have any question about it, you can use the comment section, and if you want, you can always contact me using my email, which is support@duogeeks.com. I will put the link, put the email in the description as well. Okay, so you can use that. Now this is the pretty basic. You can edit this background using the same background as I told you before, and yeah, so this form as well. Okay, now let's move to the next page, which is pricing. And I hope all these pages are pretty basic. You don't have to do any coding or stuff like that. Okay, let's move to the gallery page. Yeah, now the gallery page do have you know, code which is over here. So we are using the code for pagination as well, and we are using code for this, you know, hover effect. Okay, now what you can do is again, you have to come back to this theme editor under appearance, and then let's move to the gallery page over here. Yeah, over here, gallery page, and this says pagination styling, no border top. So there is a border at top, which I have deleted because it says border top 0 pixel. And then we have this active pagination. So active pagination, which is this one, or maybe it can be 2 once you click on this 2. So active pagination have background. If you want to change that, you just have to hover, you just have to head to this active pagination, and then you can replace this code with your code. So this is the hex code. Okay, now the default pagination, the background color of the default pagination is F7, which is kind of gray, as you can see over here, both of these. And then yeah, that's pretty Okay. Then we have the center line pagination, which is like if you want to make this at this side, you can just put left, and if you want to make all these at the right side, or if you want to shift those right side, you can just use the right. Okay, and you can also use float, like let me tell you, float right. So this is also one code you can use, but you have to delete this one if you want to use this. Okay, now I will update the file because I have changed something. Okay, now gallery, hover effect, rotate and scale. So if you want to delete that hover effect, you can just remove this, code. Okay, now, and once you remove this, there will be no hover effect over here. Okay, now let's move to the contact page, and yeah, this is pretty okay. You can use yeah, one more thing over here, so let me just cover that as well. Now we are using the HTML code for this map. Now how you can do that, let me just tell you. For example, you live in Kanpur, where I live, for example. Okay, you can put whatever the city or whatever the business you are having. You can write, if you are registered with Google with your business, then you can use the name of your business. Okay, so for example, if I just put Kanpur over here, and let me just click on this maps. Once we are in the map, then you have to click on this share. Once you click on this, then we have to head over to this embed a map, and this is the iframe code which we have to copy. So now once you copy this, now you just have to copy all of these code, and you have to replace this with what you have copied right now. Now what you have to do is width will be 100%, which stretch all over the screen, and height, I think we can go with the 400 pixel. Yeah, 400 is okay. So now like this you can use that. For example, if I want to use my business, so I will, okay, maybe Duo Geeks. Okay, now if I put the Duo Geeks, it will show the London address, I guess. Yeah, for sure. Okay, now this is the London address. So let me just click on this share, embed a map, and then copy HTML, and then let me just paste it over here. Let me just replace this, and again I have to edit this 100%, and this will be 400. So now as you can see over here, which at the left side we have this reviews and all of the information about that business, and here is the marker, Duo Geeks Divi theme expert. Okay, so now this is pretty easy and convenient for you as well. Okay, now let's go to the 404 page, which I don't think that there is any customization or anything I have to tell you about that. Okay, now let's move to the portfolio. Already I have told you about the portfolio, but this is the filterable portfolio, if you see. So to edit this, you just have to head over to this again, and portfolio page, portfolio, and portfolio filter. So active pagination, the background color is this. Now what the active pagination is, this is the active pagination. Okay, and then we have default pagination, and then we have center line pagination. I told you about these already. Okay, now portfolio filter styling. So this is this thing. Okay, now default is like the color will be I guess orange, and then the background will be this. So now default are all these, and the active tab is this one. Okay, this one. Now once you hover, this will change the color and the background color. So let me just hover over it. Now if you see, the background color is slightly changed, and the color is also changed of the font. Okay, now you can do all those stuff over here. Okay, now let's go back to the website, and let's move to the FAQ page and see if there is anything I can tell you. I think everything is pretty basic over here. Now let's move to the blog page, and let's see if there is anything. Yeah, for example, for sure, at the right side we have this widgets over here, and you can edit these widgets using these custom CSS. So now let's move to the other website element, lightbox styling, which is different. Thank you contact form message, which is different. Custom widgets. So yeah, sidebar widget titles. So the background color is this gradient, and which is the title. Okay, so these are the titles, categories, recent post. So if you see, these are the gradients, and you can replace these gradient with here is the RGBA. So if you want, you can put the hex. Now how you can put the hex is just like this, FFF, or whatever the code you want to put. Okay, now sidebar submit button. Okay, now let's see where the submit button. All right, so that sidebar submit button is actually the search button, so which is over here. And if you see the code, the background color, which is 1E 1E2A, and the color is white, so which is obviously this one. Okay, you can edit that over here. Now sidebar category styling. So these are the categories, and if I remove the code, this will look weird and not that good. So I have just used my code to make this beautiful, and yeah, beautiful. Okay, yeah, so you can edit the sidebar using that the sidebar tag, and everything is over here. And then we have some styling for the header as well. So but you don't have to worry about this, because this is having you don't want to edit all of these stuff. Okay, now back to top button. If you want to change the color of this back to top button with your color, then you can do it from here. And here it says background image, so make sure to edit the both background color. Okay, yeah, okay. So now let's move to the next part, which is, I think, the theme builder part now. And this is the single block page. Okay, and let me just tell you how you can edit this. So to edit this, you just have to head over to this Divi and then theme builder again. Now let me just leave this page because I don't want to edit that. And here is the all post, which you can edit using the Divi builder. There is nothing in this website which is not the part of Divi builder. Okay, everything is Divi builder, and yeah, some CSS is over there, but I guess that is not hard for you to edit, because everything is clearly written. There are comments you can read. Okay, this is for that for this section, so you can edit. And there's nothing like you have to write code. You just have to edit the colors and the basic settings, I guess. Okay, so yeah, this is the theme builder, and I hope you guys know about this theme builder, the single block post and all other stuff over here. So everything is all category pages, all author pages, all projects, search results, all archive pages. Now everything is covered, and still if you have any question, no problems, you can just contact me. We have 2 hours of service for you for free, and if you have purchased the child theme from our shop or any other marketplace, no problem at all. You can contact me, support@duogeeks.com, or you can go to the diviawesome.com, and then you can use that contact us button, and then you will be redirected to Messenger, and then you can message me. You can tell me your problem, I will solve it. And if not, then you have to give me the login detail, and I will go to your WordPress and fix that. There will be 2 hours of free service. I can replace the images, I can change the text, I can change the color, I can fix any problem you have in the child theme. So don't worry about it, just purchase it, and the support will be awesome, I will guarantee it. Okay, and I hope you guys like this video, and if you did, please hit the like button, and for more such videos, please subscribe to our channel. And we have more than 100 layouts and more than 10 child themes in our shop. Right now we are having the 10% off in our membership, so if you are looking for that, this is the right time. Okay, see you in the next video, and I hope you guys like this video. And yeah, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.